In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF on Notion. We'll walk through adding an animated GIF to a Notion page using the embed option, uploading the file from your computer, and resizing it so it looks clean and professional. Before we start, make sure your GIF is saved locally and ready to go. Smaller, optimized files load faster and play more smoothly, so if yours is very large, consider compressing it beforehand. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the GIF to appear on your page. Notion adds content in blocks, so the cursor position determines where the new block will land. Now, type the / on your keyboard to open Notion's quick command menu. Then begin typing the word embed. This narrows the menu to the embed block, which is designed to display media and interactive content right inside your page. It's a quick way to avoid digging through menus and keeps your workflow moving. When you see the embed option appear in the list, click it to insert the block. You'll see choices to either provide a link or upload from your device. Since we're adding a GIF file you already have, select Choose a File. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your GIF is stored, select the file, and confirm. Notion will upload and process the GIF. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection and the file size. Once it appears in the page, give it a quick glance to confirm it's animating as expected. Next, resize it so it fits the surrounding content. Hover over the GIF to reveal the handles on the sides, then click and drag to adjust the width. Aim for a size that's large enough to be clear but not so big that it overwhelms text or other elements on the page. If your page uses columns, you can also drag the block's handle to position it within a column for a more balanced layout. Keep an eye on readability. Your GIF should complement the content, not compete with it. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Clear file names. Make it easier to manage assets later, and high contrast GIFs tend to look better in both light and dark modes. If your GIF doesn't play, try re-uploading or double check that it's truly an animated GIF and within your plan's upload limits. Finally, preview the page on desktop and mobile to ensure the size you chose works well across devices. That's it. Your GIF is now embedded, uploaded, and neatly sized in Notion.